Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Uncle Ben's Garage. So it's pretty early in the morning. Sun hasn't even came up yet, but we're getting ready to get in the shop, get in the old red truck, and we're gonna head to Evansville, Indiana, to a little show I usually camp at because they do a vintage camping there, and it's a really cool show. This year I wasn't able to do that, but we are going over there for the day. It's a little show called Evil Shindig. Check it out. There'll be some more video of that coming up. It is 6:53 in the morning. We're going to open up the shop, and I'm going to do a cold start with the 56 Chevy pickup. So let me get you set up, and we'll see how that goes. Be right back. Well, let's just go ahead and get in the shop so you can kind of tell that we got a cold start here. So it's dark in here, so let's turn some shop lights on. Here we go. All right. Let's get you set up here. Let's see if we can do this. All right, here we go. Cold start. And it's pretty chilly out this morning too. It's probably in the 40s. Get some other video, maybe cruising down the interstate, whatnot. It's about an hour and a half drive, and then we'll get some video at the show. We'll see you there.